हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा भारत के सबसे पहले पुराने कुछ लोगों के बारे में और उनके सवाल और जवाब। हु वॉज द फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया? आंसर है पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू। हु वॉज द फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडियन रिपब्लिक? आंसर है डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद। हु वॉज द फर्स्ट इंडियन टू विन नोबेल प्राइज? आंसर है रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर। Who was the first president of Indian National Congress? Answer है उमेश चंद्र बनर्जी। Who was the first Muslim president of India? Answer है डॉक्टर जाकिर हुसैन। Who was the first British Governor General of India? Answer है लॉर्ड विलियम बेंटिंग। Who was the first British Viceroy of India? Answer है लॉर्ड कैनिंग। Who was the first Governor General of Free India? Answer है लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन। Who was the first and the last Indian to be Governor General of Free India? Answer है चक्रवर्ती राजागोपालाचारी। Who was the first man who introduced printing press in India? Answer है जेम्स हिकी। Who was the first Indian to join the ICS? Answer है सत्येंद्रनाथ टैगोर। Who was India's first man in space? आंसर है राकेश शर्मा। Who was the first Prime Minister of India who resigned without completing the full term? आंसर है मोरारजी देसाई। Who was the first Chief of Army Staff? आंसर है महाराज श्री राजेंद्र सिंह जडेजा। Who was the first President of India who died while in office? आंसर है डॉक्टर जाकिर हुसैन। Who was the Prime Minister of India who did not face the Parliament? आंसर है चरण सिंह। Who was the first Field Marshal of India? आंसर है सैम मानेकशॉ। Who was the first Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics? आंसर है चंद्रशेखर वेंकटा रमन। Who was the first Indian to receive भारत रत्न award? आंसर है डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन। Who was the first Indian to cross English Channel? आंसर है मिहिर सेन। Who was the first Indian to receive Jnanpith Award? आंसर है श्री शंकरा कुरूप। Who was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha? आंसर है गणेश वासुदेवा मबलंकर। Who was the first Vice President of India? आंसर है डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन। Who was the first Education Minister of India? आंसर है मौलाना अब्दुल कलाम आज़ाद। Who was the first Home Minister of India? आंसर है सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल। Who was the first Indian Air Chief Marshal? आंसर है सुब्रत मुखर्जी। Who was the first Indian Naval Chief? आंसर है रामदास कताड़ी। Who was the first Judge of International Court of Justice? आंसर है डॉक्टर नागेंद्र सिंह। Who was the first Indian to reach Mount Everest without oxygen? आंसर है फू दोरजी। Who was the first Indian Commander in Chief of India? आंसर है कोडांडेरा मडप्पा करियप्पा। Who was the first Indian to get परमवीर चक्र? आंसर है मेजर सोमनाथ शर्मा। Who was the first Election Commissioner of India? आंसर है सुकुमार सेन। Who was the first person of Indian origin to receive Nobel Prize in Medicine? आंसर है हरगोविंद खुराना। Who was the first Indian to resign from the Central Cabinet? आंसर है श्याम प्रसाद मुखर्जी। Who was the first Indian to receive Nobel Prize in Economics? आंसर है अमर्त्य सेन। Who was the first Chief Justice of Supreme Court? आंसर है हरिलाल जेकिसंदस कनिया। Who was the first Indian pilot? आंसर है जहांगीर रतनजी दादाबॉय टाटा। Who was the first scientist to be awarded भारत रत्न? आंसर है चंद्रशेखर वेंकटा रमन। Who was the first and only industrialist to be awarded भारत रत्न? आंसर है जहांगीर रतनजी दादाबॉय टाटा। Who was the first winner of Filmfare Best Actor Award? आंसर है दिलीप कुमार। Who was the first Defense Minister of India? आंसर है सरदार बलदेव सिंह। Who was the first Indian to score triple century in Test cricket? आंसर है वीरेंद्र सहवाग। सो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको जनरल नॉलेज से रिलेटेड वीडियोस और चाहिए तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। Thanks for watching.